Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Honda Modern Motorhome, which embodies Honda's well-known values of intelligent design, dependability, and user-centric innovation applied to the world of mobile living, is a potential progression in the recreational vehicle sector. One might imagine a motorhome that emphasizes effectiveness, usefulness, and a modern appearance, even though specifics are still up for speculation. The 2026 Honda Modern Motorhome's exterior design would probably have a sleek, aerodynamic appearance, departing from the frequently boxy shapes that are typically connected with RVs. Anticipate sleek lines, integrated lighting components that may make use of cutting-edge LED technology, and an emphasis on optimizing usable space while preserving an eye-catching profile. Awnings, storage spaces, and access points are examples of features that should be carefully integrated to emphasize practicality without sacrificing the overall modern look. Inside, a well-planned and technologically advanced living area would highlight the modern element even more. One may expect a flexible and modular design that maximizes adaptability and makes effective use of the available space. An atmosphere that is both comfortable and simple to maintain would probably be created using premium, long-lasting materials with a modern vibe. Integrating smart home technologies to manage entertainment, lighting, and climate would be consistent with Honda's progressive philosophy. Essential features would include a cozy sleeping area, a well-equipped kitchenette, and a creatively planned bathroom, all of which would be carried out with Honda's signature attention to detail and space efficiency. In terms of performance, the 2026 Honda Modern Motorhome would probably put an emphasis on comfort and fuel economy. In keeping with Honda's growing emphasis on electrification, one may anticipate a hybrid or refined gasoline powertrain, depending on the size and class of the intended RV. In order to guarantee a comfortable ride on lengthy trips, the chassis would be designed to offer steady and predictable handling, possibly utilizing Honda's experience with suspension design. To improve safety and driving comfort, advanced driver assistance systems, a feature of contemporary Honda automobiles, would probably be included. Without necessarily going into the ultra-luxury market, the 2026 Honda Modern Motorhome's market positioning would probably target individuals and families looking for a dependable, stylish, and technologically advanced recreational vehicle. Honda's reputation for dependability and value would undoubtedly be a strong selling point. A new generation of motorhome lovers may find the focus on contemporary style and effective functionality appealing. To sum up, the 2026 Honda Modern Motorhome is a conceptual car that represents Honda's capacity to introduce its basic principles of dependability, smart design, and cutting-edge technology to the recreational vehicle market. It offers a modern approach on mobile life by imagining a motorhome that is not only practical and efficient, but also aesthetically beautiful and technologically advanced.